Hey, we wanted to take a minute to just talk about these decals that we stuck on here. You can see my little one in the background there. So, Luke, you help me do this stuff all the time. What are your thoughts on the hood scoop?
On the hood scoop, I personally think that it looks pretty good. From a distance, nobody's gonna really realize this. But from where I'm standing right now, you can see that there's a ginormous white gap down here. And I just think we could keep it because not a lot of people are going to be walking up in front of it looking at it from here. And it does, the sticker altogether looks good. It's just the sizing of it is the little problem. And on these sides, we put little stickers right here, and as you can see, there's a very little tiny white part. So like, if the sticker was only a tiny bit bigger, it would fit perfectly.
Yeah, we were messing with it, trying to move it from the other side as well, but if we did, then you'd have the white gap up next to the plastic panel there, so agreed. But now, the last thing that we did here was we put these decals on here. What are your thoughts on that?
My thoughts about this, I don't really see any problems with this. I mean, it goes with the car, with the theme that we're doing, red, black, and white. And there's no gaps around this, and just the material that they use, it just catches your eye.
Yeah. All right, well, we'll roll some video here and show some pieces of us installing it here. Definitely use soapy water when you're putting the decals on. Definitely lesson learned there. I tried at first to do it without, and it was a giant mess. So definitely condition it with some soapy water, lay the decal down, get it set where you want to, and then you can either use a heat gun, let the sun do it, which is what I did, or a blow dryer. That's right.
Especially use the soapy water for this one.
Yeah. All right, thanks, dude. All right, Luke, we got a couple of new things from our friends at SubiSpeed. All right, so why don't you come here and take a look.
What are these?
Pull it out. What do you think that is?
A wrap?
It is a wrap, but I wonder what it might be for.
Is it for the interior to cover the gloss? It looks
So
like
that wrap in your hand, that's gonna go right on over here.
I wanted to do that.
It's gonna go in our scoop.
I want to take one.
All right.
I want to take
And then this one, here, let me see that switch.
I want to take the one
Give me that.
of them. I want to take
All right,
one.
here, give me that. Now there's two things in that one, so be careful.
I don't get any.
Hold on, Ethan. So those, what do you think those are for?
What's in here?
Unwrap them? That's a good thought. They actually are gonna go, oh, we gotta fix that, by the way. They're actually gonna go right here. So this area right here, they're gonna go right in there.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yep. All right. And then there's something else in there. Let me see this. What else is in there?
Ooh, Subaru stickers to cover up the Subaru thingies.
Yeah, so we got some black and red
Hey,
vinyls.
I want to do one of them.
Well, Ethan, just wait. We'll get to it, okay, bud? It's a team effort.
Oh, upside down.
Thing about soapy water. You can kind of move it into place like you want. And then as the soap and water evaporate, it sticks and adheres. It's how you do vinyl work. So I'm going to start on the inside and work my way out.
This is a lot easier.
Well, yeah. So, lesson learned, don't try to do this any other way.
Shouldn't this be onto the thing?
Yeah, I'm gonna get there. I'm looking some stuff over here. This doesn't look like it fits. This, yeah, this doesn't really fit.